Hi everyone, welcome to the lookbook. If you're new here, hi, this is Yitishaa and I bought a bunch of stuff from Nykaa. Now there's mostly makeup, some skincare and hair care products as well. These are completely random, not a part of any sale. Now also I'm going to show some products that brands had sent over as a part of collaborations or just to try out. So if you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also if you enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button as well. Without further ado, let's jump right in. So let's start with makeup. The one product I was super excited to get my hands on is this Swiss Beauty Gloss Me Lip Gloss. Now glossy lips are back in trend since 2020 and I'm all for it. They add that expensive vibe to any makeup look, but they're not easily available in the Indian market. The only one other than this that I know of, a clear lip gloss I mean, is the one from Lime Crime, which is quite expensive. So I'm going to review this in a separate video and I do hope that this turns out to be good. Next up, I have this eyelash glue from M.A.C. Now this is in the dark tone variant, which means it is black in color. So once it sets on your eyes, it looks as if you have kajal or eyeliner on. But if you use a light tone variant, which is usually white in color, it looks kind of ugly and you have to go back in with your black eyeliner to cover that up. So if you're new to applying, like using lash glue and applying your eyelashes, I definitely suggest buying this dark tone one. Before this, I used to use this eyelash glue. This is also from M.A.C, but it's in a tube form. So the nozzle on this one kind of makes it messy. Oh god, I just squeezed it. So it gets kind of messy, gets all over your eyelashes and also on your hands like it just did. So that's kind of messy, but this one has a thin brush tip. So it makes it easier to apply. Let me show you the brush tip. Just what I was talking about. As you can see, this has a really thin brush tip. It's almost like a eyeliner applicator, so it makes it really easy to apply the glue on the lash band. Then I just wanted to stock up on kajal, so I bought this Faces Canada Magneteyes kajal. Now I've tried quite a few drugstore kajals, but everything gets watery in my eyes and then deposits in the inner or the outer corner. It doesn't stay long, like 1 or 2 hours max. So I'm really hoping that this one stays longer. Next up, I bought the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Now just about everyone loves this and it's supposed to be a full coverage creamy consistency concealer. I have the shade medium. I did test the shade and it looks pretty good, but I'm yet to see how it sits on my face. Now on to skincare. If you've seen any of my skincare routine videos, then you do know that I love the Face Shop products. They feel really good on my skin and are super mild. So I went ahead and bought their Smart Peeling White Jewel Exfoliator. Now in physical exfoliators, we have some micro granular particles, micro beads that are used to exfoliate our skin, or in chemical exfoliators, we have AHA and BHA, but this is way milder. This has natural cellulose which dries up and balls on our skin to be used as an exfoliator. Now I actually got this for my mom, so this is great for anyone with mature skin or sensitive skin because it is really mild, way milder than your physical or chemical exfoliators, and it still gives that nice you can rub it around your skin, so it gives that satisfaction and also leaves your skin super smooth. I have already tried this, so that's my mini review. Do let me know if you guys want to see my full skincare routine. I usually use the Plum Goodness and the Face Shop products, so let me know in the comment section down below. Then stocking up on sunscreen, I bought the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer SPF 50 Plus sunscreen. Now I do have the Lotus one, but it has kind of a tint to it and also feels greasy after 3 or 4 hours, so I called for this one. Next up, I called for this Insight Nail Polish Remover Wipes. Now I do prefer these over those dip and twist bottles or those just remover liquids that you have to pour on cotton pads and then use. This is way easier and sanitary. Now because this is my birthday month, Nykaa added in a little gift. This is their Whipped with Love Freesia and Vanilla Hand and Nail Creme. I love the packaging. It is so cute. I don't usually use hand creams, but because this smells so divine, I might just use it. Next up, I called for the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Pure Clay Shampoo and Conditioner. Now this was in a combo pack and I did not realize that this would be super huge, but I had actually tested out a smaller size of this and it made my hair frizz-free, smooth and squeaky clean, so I do really like this. Now, super random, Nykaa had also added in this Mario Badescu Enzyme Cleansing Gel. It's just a small pack and I haven't tried this yet. Now onto some products that were sent over for me to try out or as part of collaboration. The first one I have is from Swiss Beauty. It came with this cute note and I have 4 of their matte lip ultra smooth matte liquid lipstick shades. I have a full review video on this up on my channel. I'll link it in the iCard and also in the description box. Please do check it out if you want to know my thoughts on these. Then I have these lip and cheek tints from Just Herbs. Do let me know if you want a full review video on this. I do have swatches up on my YouTube shorts. You can check that out. This is my favorite shade out of the 3 I have with me. It's in 07 Rose Coral. Now finally, for the last 3 products, I have the MAC Mini Fix Plus Setting Spray, no introduction needed. And finally, I have 2 shades from their Lipglass range. Now these look so stunning. They sparkle and shine like no one's business. I've used the purple one in the Katrina Carefree Creation video and this golden one, which is more of a clear lip gloss. I've used this in my Soft Girl Vibes video, so do check that out. So those were all the new additions to my makeup and skincare collection. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.